Hello everyone, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors.com, here today to feature our SPC007 Maple Burley or Burley Maple. Wanted to give you some close-ups of the character of this product. It's a very nice neutral maple look. Works well in both contemporary and classic spaces. The colors consist of a creamy white with a slight reddish brown tinge. As you can see here, it's got some distressing looking like saw marks, but like a straight saw mark. This one does have enhanced beveled edges. Got some great character detail right there. We also have samples for all of our SuperCore products. You can get on WeShipFloors.com, put in the model number SPC007 to get right to the product page. We also can read more information and see more videos on our YouTube channel featuring each color. We have several colors to choose from, so you definitely want to check out your options. You can call us at 844-356-6711. Got plenty of information to share with you, how-to tips. This is a waterproof floor, priced at $2.99. It's a broader look of this floor. It's on display in our showroom. So again, that's the SPC007 Maple Burley. Let us know how we can help you, and thanks for watching.